Okay, good day, viewers. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniro, and for my previous video on how to design a simple calculator using Python and Tkinter, I promise you an updated version of the code. So before then, in the previous code, we have something like this that can perform basic arithmetics like the division, the multiplication, subtraction, and addition. And at the same time, we can check the current date and time. So in this video, we are going to be adding some other functionalities to the code in such a way that we're going to have more buttons and we will have more fun. So I'm going to be launching the new code. I will make the code available on the description section of this video. If you are interested, you can work on it and advance more on it. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So this is my new code, and in this code, I incorporated a new library. So here I have the math library. So to perform other arithmetic operation like calculating the square root and the cube root. So that is why I have this function, the math uh, library. So one other thing that I added is that I'm able to add a logo, sorry, an icon to the app. So you'll be seeing that. And now I'm able to add other functionalities. If you see it here, I can perform a lot of memory operation. I can store value. I can add value. I can subtract from value. I can perform square root and cube root. At the same time, I can calculate the percentage of any given number. So using this new mechanism. So let's run the code and see the changes. And boom, this is my new calculator. From here you can see I have the memory clear, the memory recall, the save to memory, add to memory, subtract from memory. I have the square root, the cube root, and the percentage in addition to what I originally had in my previous video. So I'm going to be doing a kind of test running. Let's take for instance I have 10 multiplied by 2 and is equals to 20. I can take the square root of this, which is going to be 4.47. I can save this into the memory. So I save it into the memory by pressing the MS button. So don't forget that we have 4.472 in the memory. I'm going to clear it and I want to add another 10 to it. So I'm adding 10 to what I have in the memory by pressing M plus. So M plus already added this value to the memory. I clear it. So if I press my record button, it should give me the addition of my 10 and the previous item I have in the memory. I mean the variables I have in the memory. So you see this is 14.47. I'm going to clear my screen again and I still want to show you the previous functionalities. I mean the current time. So my current time is still working. So this code is just an advancement of my previous one, and this time around I have a very good calculator. In the future I will be considering a kind of calculator that can perform other things, probably binary operations or hexadecimal operations. Until then, watch out for my next video. I would like you to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.